Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back. As I have promised you, this Berlin vlog is my absolute favorite. It has everything I love. First, we went on a little walk through a forest, the Grunewald, because going through this forest, you can climb up a mountain. Let's call it a mountain. It's probably more like a large hill, but because in German it's a Berg, we will call it a mountain. So you'll climb up that mountain through a forest, so through nature, and on the Teufelsberg, which can be translated to Devil's Mountain, you will find another thing I love, and that's art. Up there is a huge open art exhibition with street art. So I wanted to explain to you what it is, because in the video itself you will see the cool art and you will see the cool building, but I'm not quite sure if there's anything that will explain what it is. After the Second World War, they used rubble, like everything that was destroyed in Berlin. They used that kind of rubble to build this mountain on an old military base. So they buried the military base under the rubble and built this mountain. And on top of this mountain, the Americans and I think also the British, they built like this big spy tower. So what you're seeing is an old building that is no longer in use, and that is like urban exploring rundown, and it once was a spy tower. So not only do you see really, really cool street art, you will also see a really, really cool building. So exploring there and going to this kind of exhibition, to this kind of museum was wonderful. You're allowed to walk around, which in most like urban rundown places, I'm always like, oh, I would love to go here. I would love to take pictures, but it's not allowed. You can't just go to any abandoned place and take pictures. I know people do it and it's really cool, but I'm too scared. And in this case, you pay for it. So you pay your entrance fee and then you can enjoy this old rundown buildings and some really, really cool street art. So I hope you enjoy that. And the last thing you're going to see, which I also love, is old architecture. And in this case, it's the Zitadelle Spandau, because from the Teufelsberg, it was easier to go to a S-Bahn station and to just take a few stations to go to Spandau and then to go to the Zitadelle Spandau, which should be translated to Citadel Spandau, because it's like something like a castle but near water. So yeah, so we also have some cool old architecture. And with that, the Berlin vlogs will come to an end. I know it's sad, but it won't be the last time I'm going there, because I have someone living there, so for me it's easy to go visit. I just have to pay the way there, and because it's only under 2 hours by train, it's no problem. Now, while you are watching this vlog, I will be in London. So you can look forward to the next vlogs, which will be about London. And after that, I will be in Amsterdam and I will celebrate my birthday in the Van Gogh Museum. So I got myself some tickets, or some ticket, because it's just me, I just need one ticket. I got myself a ticket for the Van Gogh Museum on my birthday. It's the perfect thing to do. So you can also look forward to that, but it might take some time until we get there. I don't know how much I will film in London, but I'll try to show you as much as I can. Now, other than that, I hope you're good. I hope you stay healthy. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And as I said, I will see you in the next vlog, which probably will be a London vlog. Until then, I'm going to leave you, as always, with a heartfelt bye.